and we are going to Lake Tahoe again. And we just actually got back last night, so now we're going again. So I forgot to tell you guys that I got on the camera. I would have liked to show the transition of before and after, but it didn't happen. So I'm just vlogging on this camera now. Well, you can watch the last video, and then now you watch this one, and then you can see the before and after. Just to see how the resolution changed. I'm kind of excited to see how different the resolution is going to be, but I just wanted to let you guys know. So we're making a pit stop, and it's snowing outside. Ugh, look at that beautiful mountain of snow. I don't really want to get out of the car because it's cold, but that's it, alright. It's also currently snowing. You can see it on my jacket. Snow's coming in. Woo. But we have to get chains for the car, and it's going to be a problem because a lot of places don't have them because it's snowy and people have to stop to buy them. So we'll see if hopefully this next place has them. I'm crossing our fingers so we don't have to drive back too far, because if not, that's going to suck a lot. So we are putting on the chains. We found them. Well, no, now my dad is, but he found them, and now we're just chilling in the snow, basically. Excuse me, this is a standing bar for a snow cocktail, please. On the rocks. Thank you. Stepping in soft snow is the most satisfying thing you will ever do in your entire life. I could honestly be like those Instagram videos that the caption is, "This is so satisfying," because stepping in snow is really just that satisfying.
There are times when you need someone. Yeah.
Putting the chains on. It's snowing. Snowing. So I'm reporting here from the car of the Mercedes-Benz on the Highway 50 going east Lincoln Highway roundabout towards South Lake Tahoe. Anyways, we're here because the chain popped off, and now it's stuck on the tire. We can't move. I don't even need to use cool lighting because this tow truck right here is totally just providing that light for me. But we're here. The tow truck guy pulled over. My dad and my carrier are talking to him. So hopefully it'll work out. Our dad. Yeah, our dad. Guys, we're going on to the back of the tow truck.
So
right now.
retarded right now.
We're getting pulled? I don't even want to move inside the car.
I know, don't move. Nobody move.
We're getting pulled? Yeah, we're on top of the truck.
We're on the flatbed.
Right now. It's really, really snowy outside. And the tire doesn't, still the same problem. We got towed to a gas station, and now we're here at the gas station. My dad's changing the tire. Huh?
Oh, I'm sorry, I got it.
No. My dad's currently cranking up the car so that he doesn't have to do it later when AAA comes or when the tow truck comes. Okay, my camera died. Well, no, my battery died, so I had to change the battery, put in the new battery. Now the tow truck is finally here. Thank the Lord. And he's putting on the chain the right way. Hopefully he checks the other one too, so that we make sure that it's actually on right. I feel like Luma. But you gotta do what you gotta do to stay warm, you know? The storm is over. We finally got the chain.
Oh, my last world off. This is the last world.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
We got the crank thing off.
Hopefully.
We got
now we gotta get up
everything
I can't see right now, though.
under control for now. Very bad news. It's on the side of the road. I don't know what time it is.
the sky.
So many hours later, and we're still on the side of the road. It's just, we're going home now. It's the end of the trip. Whole day in the car, my legs hurt, my back hurts. It's whatever. It's okay. It's really stormy. I was sick anyway, so everything happens for a reason, you know? But, yeah. So, remember guys, through it all, remember you gotta live it up. It's 10:42, and, on my last vlog entry I was saying that we were just gonna go home tonight, or yesterday, and, we didn't end up driving all the way back, so instead we stayed at a hotel on the road. We're gonna go to Fresh Pond, and that's this place. We're just gonna make the most of the day. It's too stormy to make it up to Tahoe today, this trip, so we'll just go another day. And it's understandable, so everybody tried. So we're back here again. Guess where? I don't know if you recognize this place, but back at Fresh Pond. There's a lot of slush around here. We're gonna go sledding, even though we don't have a sled, so I don't know how that's gonna work. But we're gonna go sledding, and then maybe, possibly, crossing our fingers, based on my stepmom's nice, convincing skills, she'll get us the room that we originally rented or had reserved, so that we can stay there the night. But good news, my dad had a confession to make this morning, and that was that he actually had gotten the wrong size chains. Yeah. That's the reason for our series of unfortunate events yesterday. But anyways, we got the right size now. So we're good. We should be fine. I got one! I'm not a very good thrower. Whoa! Or a walker, apparently. Ooh, it's so pretty! Wow! Push it.
Did you make that?
I'm getting attacked! Putting on chains, the right kind this time. Look at those hipsters back there. Look at that guy posing for a picture. We made it! Finally! Oh my god. Whew, my legs, they hurt. They're hurting. Look, we made it here. We made it to this wonderful place called the Beach House Resort. Oh my god! I want to cry. I'm just gonna make some snow angels. I'm just gonna slide in the street. Okay, I should probably go and help with my bags now. I may need a little grief.
That's like the highlight of any 9-year-old.
Opening the door. I was never allowed to open the door with the key. Just kidding. I love you, Mom. I was a very privileged child. Here we go. We're going to the room. A303, 13, A312, A311. You'll be more help. A309, 308, 307, 305, 302. There's a hot tub. Here's the porch. Here is the room. Here is that. Here is the fireplace. Here is the sink. Bathroom. Okay, so we have begun our little igloo, and this is our giant snowman. could be a girl, for all I know. But I'll show you guys in the morning what he looks like. Now we're gonna go and see the snowman and the fort that we made yesterday. And sorry, I'm so hungry right now. Like I can't function without food. Oh my god, it's like a river. Look it, it's like a river of snow. That was crazy. It's like I was walking on water. Hashtag Jesus. What? A snowman. No, I think he did get melted or someone kicked him. Stupid people, look it, they knocked this one down too. Freaking assholes. Oh, that makes me so mad. Why are people such jerks? Gosh.
Maybe they use our sticks. Look, this is like ours.
Where?
Right over there.
What the f? They definitely
did.
took our they took everything.
Look, they even did that little palm tree.
Theirs is ugly. They took the sticks from the buttons. They took our arms. They took the leaves from the mouth. Took everything. Whoever did this, I hate you. And that's not even the fact that I'm hungry. I feel like a kid because I just knocked down their snowman, but whoopsies. Too bad. I'll play it right now. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Kill the baby, and then they went and they sliced. Is that a story?
No, it's about a tiger.
So I'm here, I'm back home with Saba. I don't know what she's doing. That concludes the end of my trip. That was a pretty crazy trip, but it was fun nonetheless. Make sure to like, subscribe. Make sure you keep up with all my crazy adventures. Some crazy, maybe some not so crazy. And make sure that through it all, honestly, you just gotta live it up. Alright. Peace out, guys.
Nothing but a baby's life. Is all you guys can hold on to.
Wipe what off?
2.
Two.
Did I say 14?